Hello. So today we will see how you can simply create your own video channel hosted on your own platform for free. So this is possible with the tool called Humix from Ezoic. And so for example, this is my website, my URL. And if I just go on my domain name to my Humix video hosting platform, here I have all the videos I uploaded on Humix that Ezoic is hosting on my behalf and that appear for search engines as if I was hosting them, and they compete directly with YouTube. To do it, all you have to do is to, if you have a website, to open your Ezoic account, go here to Humix. So Humix is their video hosting system. And in Humix, on the homepage, you have a few statistics. For example, in the last 30 days with my videos, I made $25 with 200,000 plays. In contrary to YouTube, where I made $0 because I don't know how many thousand followers or whatever you need to start getting revenue sharing from YouTube. So very simple. Especially if you already have a YouTube channel, all you have to do is to import videos that you have already uploaded on YouTube. So click on import from YouTube, select your YouTube channel. I have already connected my English and my French video channels. Select the channel, and here, so it's showing the videos that have not yet been imported on Humix. So for example, I can select this video, click on save. And this video that explains how to solve an error will be uploaded to my studio. In my studio here, I have all my videos. The one that I just clicked will come soon. It takes a few minutes to process. And but anyway, so here I have all the videos I have uploaded directly, well, imported from YouTube. For all of them, I have a link to the dedicated page. So if I click here, I will be redirected directly to the dedicated video page. So the link, if I open it, here is the page on my website, on my domain name, for my video hosted as it was my own video platform, and again for free with monetization. So I get 90% of ads revenue compared to 0% with YouTube until you get 1,000 followers, and they share eventually 50%. And if you become a very big YouTuber, they might give you a little more. But in any case, here I get 90% of the revenue. This is my video posted on my website. And here there are recommended videos also from a Humix network. And if we go back to the video, so here the video is being imported from YouTube. And what we can do that we cannot do on YouTube, whenever you import a video from YouTube, you have the title or automatically downloaded, the description downloaded. You can add it to a playlist. The video thumbnail is automatically taken from your YouTube video. And we can also add tags. So this is for us to categorize our videos. It's especially useful when you have many videos. For SEO, the keywords are downloaded from the YouTube videos. We can also add IAB categories. So for example, this video is about video production and social networking, and we'll see right after on my video platform how it is used to categorize the videos. And probably one of the best features of Humix, that you can add links to videos. The links will appear on top of the video. For example, you can add your own affiliate links if you are promoting a product. You can add links to your article that describes the topic in detail, to whatever resource is useful for the viewer. Okay. And finally, so to keep just talking about the video channel itself, you can also customize it a little bit. So this is how your own video channel will look like. So if we have a look at mine again, here it is on the homepage. I have first my various playlists, then the most viewed videos, the most liked videos, and then the latest videos.
So is it?
I have automatic. Yes.
Oh, yes, it is done automatically, not manually.
No, everything is automatic. So just I have added the IAB categories and the link that is displayed on top of the video, the affiliate link when relevant. And if I go to categories, for example, here, I can search through all existing categories. And if I select the category that applies to my videos, I will find my videos.
Nice.
So again, what's very interesting is that when we select a video, for example, this one, it is displayed, it is played on my website, and I get I get everything instead of donating it to YouTube.
I see. Okay. Very interesting.
Yeah.
Very useful.
Exactly. So here, for example, I'm playing the video, very useful. And yeah, on my YouTube channel.
And
Any question?
description and title is filled automatically again. So you actually need to do, you don't need to do anything, like everything when you upload, yes, from YouTube, everything is done automatically. Great, good, very good, interesting.
Very simple. The only thing you have to do eventually is then to reshare your videos.
Okay.
So, for example, this video is ranking on Google. So let's check actually. So if we go to Google, if we search for this product review, and I want a video. So here, this is my review on YouTube. And can we find mine? And for this one, my website is not ranking itself. But also probably because there's a very good result. No, I am first for this result on YouTube.
On YouTube, I see.
Yeah. But for example, if we search on Google for what is coming from my website for the videos, so here you see on Google, all the videos I uploaded are ranking on Google for the Google images and videos results because they are separate from the text results.
I see.
So this is what Ezoic calls the quadruple deep strategy. So you create your content once, you create, for example, your article with video, which any blogger does already in standard. Your text is ranking on Google, your video is ranking on YouTube, search engine. If you upload it to Humix, it is also ranking on Google Images for the illustrations of your articles and videos for your video that is hosted then both on YouTube and on your own website.
I see. Good. Thank you.
Okay, so you have a website, just use the affiliate link in the description of this video, register your site to Ezoic and start creating with a few button clicks your own video hosting platform on your website. And for free again.
Yes, it's cool. It's really cool.
Okay.
Thank you.